All right, hey guys, this is Jason here again, and how you can make $100 to $200 per day just by sending out a simple email. So I've already gone through the entire course. Now it's time for the bonuses, which is the fun part of this. I love giving away free stuff and to help people build their businesses online. That's my passion, is to help you be successful online. But the one thing I want to make sure you understand is the number one reason why most people fail online is because of cost and the complexity of getting multiple applications to work together. That's why I'm going to show you a couple different bonuses. If you don't want my support, you don't have to go for it, but I'm going to give you some free stuff here in the meantime. So here's what I'll do for you. Your first month of hosting for absolutely free, but with skyviewhost.com, but you need to email me, and I'm going to give the email just below here account. That's any new account being set up. Now, if you're saying, well, I already have a WordPress site, I already have hosting, I'll give you 2 free months, and I will actually move your existing WordPress site over to skyviewhost.com absolutely for free. And I will also do this. I'll also give you a free 1-hour course or 1-hour personal one-on-one training, or within my YouTube account, where we'll go through and build out your funnel for you. Okay, I'll do that with you live on a webinar. All right, so there are some rules. Like I said before during my previous videos, free is not free, right? There's always a stipulation around it. So in this case, if you would actually, for the free items with you and the free course that I'm giving you right now, if you would actually post this on your Facebook account, your Instagram account, your Pinterest account, and your Twitter, I would really love that, and I'd really be appreciative if you would do that for me. That would help my business grow, and it would help you also, because I'll be able to promote your business at the same time. So here's the email, jason@jasongerald.com, and I also put it below the video. Okay, so make sure you contact me, and I will be able to give you those free items. Now, well, nothing beats for free, right? That's awesome. Okay, now here's my support. Like I said before, the number one reason why most people fail is because of complexity and cost and getting multiple applications to work together. I'm going to have a great deal for you right now. I'm going to be able to do a complete done for you package. This is not for free, but it's going to be reasonable, very reasonable. And I'm going to show you some of the value that you're going to get out of this. Number one, I'll help you find your niche. Now, if you don't want to pick the 3 big niches, right, which is health, wealth, and relationship, there's also hundreds and thousands of other niches out there that you could choose from, and I'll help you pick one if you need my help, one-on-one. I will also help you find your domain, meaning should you go for a .com or should you go for a .gov? What should it be a dash in it? Should it be your name? Should it be your brand? What is it that you're planning on doing? We need to have a strategy, a plan around that. So we got to talk about those things. We'll set up your hosting. I will do that for you. I'll set up your hosting for free and your domain for free, and get everything set up all of your emails so that you have emails that you can use, like Jason Gerald or support@jasongerald.com. That's a personal email based upon your domain. You want that, you need that. That's important to give credibility to you and your business online. Okay, so I will also set up WordPress, add a professional theme, and add professional plugins like an Elementor Pro plugin. All these are paid plugins that I will be able to add on to your site, and this is a value of $10,000 right there. Right now you've got almost $11,700 already of value built into this right now, and I do all of this stuff for you. Okay, all right, I will also set up a funnel with you to make sure your funnels are all set up, and I have example funnels I will be showing you here in a minute. I will connect your autoresponder to your website, so every time somebody comes to your website, signs up, I will get it to your list on your autoresponder. I use ConvertKit, when you'll see the links below this video. Connect your Google tags. Now, most people will charge you or tell you to go to like ClickMagick or a couple other services out there, and what they do is they track the clicks coming from Facebook or solo ads or anything that's coming to your website, track that and see how well they convert, because it's all about the numbers game. So You've got to have traffic coming to you, and if you're going to pay for traffic, you got to know how well that traffic is converting, and that's what Google Tags will do for you, or ClickMagick will do for you too. So you've got to know your numbers. That's important. All right, bonus number 3. I will help you find your first affiliate product. I said bonus number 3. I meant page 2. Actually, it's 2. I will help you find your first affiliate product. So once you build your website, you decide what niche you're going to be in, we build your website, you need products to promote. And so if you don't want to go out there and build your own products, you got to go find it on JVZoo, ClickBank, or Warrior Plus. And there's other areas to find products and services to promote on your site. So there's a lot of key things that you can do in a lot of different areas that you can get affiliate marketing for and start making money for. All right, we can build your first funnel. I will also build your website. That's another $500 value. Let me show you some examples right now what I can do for you. Okay, I'm at jasongerald.com. You can actually go look at this right now, and you'll see pro websites right there. I charge $4.99 for each one of these websites, and that means I'll do configure it, build it. I set all these things up. These are all examples. So if you click on an example right there, it'll open up another tab, and then you can see the entire website right there. I will load this on for free for you when you want my services. Okay, and then all you have to do, and you look at it, there's just about any niche that you need to, you can get into right here. You can do a barbershop, you can do, coaching, or any of these. You just click on the link right there, and it will pull up the actual website, and you can see what it looks like. All we have to do is change out the content, change the verbiage, which is not real words, but we'll change out the images to match your website, and we can do a completely different website with Elementor Pro. It is so awesome. All right, also on here, if you go to the menu up top, you'll see opt-in pages, which are funnels. If you click on that, you're going to look at examples that look like this. This is an image in the background with a single opt-in page here, a single email, and click in to get access. This is a funnel. This is exactly what you need to do to build your list, and that's critical for you to be successful online, is to do email marketing. But there's a lot more you can do than just email marketing. But right now we were focusing just on email marketing. All right, here's some more examples. Here's one here: work from home and get work from home. Create your own hours. So this is a perfect one for you. When you do this, here's another one, step-by-step guide. And here's another example. This was one of the ebook, where you have an ebook right here, and when they sign up, you send them this ebook for free. And there's a timer on it also. When we set up these websites, guys, they're completely done for you. You don't need any other services or anything like that to get your website up and running. You get timers, you get these boxes, you get everything you need to set up a website and unlimited funnels that you need. So you don't have to go to ClickFunnels or any other service out there, because you have everything at your fingertips when you use WordPress. All right, so let me go back to the PowerPoint presentation and tell you the final portion. Okay, all right, now I'm back to the website here. So if you saw that was $500 value, overall you're getting about $14,800 worth of value through this whole thing. If I wanted to, I could actually charge you $14,800 to do that, and I know people that actually do that. So, but I'm a nice guy, I'm not going to do that to you. I'm going to show you that you can actually, pay half of that, only $4,999. That's it. That's simple. That's $4K. That's a piece of cake. You spent that going to college just in just buying books almost. You know what I mean? So guys, listen, this is very cheap, but I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to make it cheaper. What about $2,000? Just $1,999. That would be awesome, wouldn't it? I've already cut that down twice. Now, I'm going to make it a little bit sweeter for you yet. How about $4.99? That's it, $4.99. Now, I'm not going to do this all the time, because this is a limited time offer, because I'm not going to be able to support this for a very long time. For $4.99, I'll get bombarded with orders. So that means if I get too many, I'm going to have to raise the price back up to 2,000. And if I get too many more orders, I'll go up again. So remember, guys, take advantage of this while you can right now. So remember what I said before. The number one reason why most people fail is complexity, cost, and getting multiple applications to work together. Guys, I'm saving you money, I'm saving you time, and I'm eliminating the complexity. Okay? So this is a no-brainer for you. Take advantage of this $4.99 right now. Go ahead and get signed up. There'll be a button below this video on my website. So go ahead and click the button, and I'll look forward to working with you. Take advantage of those bonuses if you don't want to take advantage of the $4.99. And go ahead and get your website set up on skyviewhost.com. And I look forward to working with you. Have a great day, guys. Bye.